Every great journey begins with a vision, a single step, guided by wisdom, passion, and determination. For Homes by Tabor, that journey began 25 years ago, right here in the Oklahoma City metro. In 2000, Tabor LeBlanc embarked on his journey with the help and guidance of his father-in-law, John Alexander, whose legacy laid the foundation for what Homes by Tabor would become.
I was 23 years old, young and dumb, but John believed in me and helped me start Homes by Tabor.
Over the past quarter of a century, Homes by Tabor has grown tremendously, becoming a trusted name synonymous with quality, innovation, safety, and connections across the Oklahoma City metro. With each home built, we've strengthened communities and helped thousands of families create their own American dreams and memories. Homes by Tabor has built over 7,000 homes in Oklahoma, with innovative, award-winning designs that are recognized not only statewide, but nationwide.
There's no one thing that I can just pick out and say, this is what made it worth it. Almost every morning I wake up and I'm like, wow, I live here.
We obviously chose Tabor because when they say dare to compare, I mean, they rank number one in our eyes.
They've done exactly what they said, when they said. It's probably overbuilt for sure.
Thank you so much from everyone, from the beginning to the end, the in-between, the behind the scenes. We're very appreciative.
I just think the entire experience is just life-changing. I would absolutely recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family and to strangers. I am an ambassador to Homes by Tabor. I believe everyone deserves to feel this feeling of just home.
Our incredible growth wouldn't be possible without our dedicated employees. With an average tenure of 5.4 years, loyal vendors, and trade partners who are the best in the biz, who've consistently supported our vision and helped us deliver quality year after year. Through our Tabor Cares charity initiative, we've been proud to give back to our community, donating hundreds of thousands of dollars to local charities and investing thousands of volunteer hours to make a meaningful impact. Today, we celebrate not just the milestones we've reached, but the lives we've touched and the communities we've shaped. As we look toward the future, our mission remains clear: to continue building excellence, one home, one family, one neighborhood at a time. Here's to the next 25 years, building dreams and growing communities together. Homes by Tabor, 25 years strong, and we're just getting started.